Importance of English. Global communication. English is a global language. People from different countries use English to communicate. Helps in traveling and working in foreign countries. Education and career opportunities. Many top universities and colleges teach in English. Necessary for studying abroad. Many companies prefer employees who speak English. Opens up more job opportunities. Important for career success. Access to information. Much of the internet's information is in English. Useful for finding news, research and entertainment. Helps in learning new things. Keeps us informed about global events. Science and technology. English is the language of science and technology. Most scientific research and technical instructions are in English. Important for reading scientific papers and technical manuals. Helps in communicating with other scientists and engineers. Everyday use. Many movies, TV shows, and songs are in English. Understanding English enhances enjoyment of entertainment. Many apps and websites are in English. Helps in using technology better. Conclusion. English is important for communication, education, career, information access, science, technology, and daily life. Learning English has many benefits. It's worthwhile to learn and improve English skills.